What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Obi, and I've got a bit of a surprise today. So what I've got here is the upgrade for my Inmotion V13. So I'm just gonna do a first impressions. So far it comes in a nice box, standard box really, corrugated cardboard. This is the shock upgrade for Inmotion V13. Just gonna slice it open quickly. Okay, so first impressions. Packaging, not too bad. Would have been nicer if they had like something on the sides here. As you can see, it's also flopping around, moving around. So you get two shocks. Looks very quality. Looks very nice. And the tops are sealed, looks like. So I'm not sure how good these are going to be. And that's it. They don't give you anything else. No caps, no washers for the top. Yep, this one hasn't been open. No washers, just two shocks. It's a little bit deceptive because I believe in the pictures it showed caps and everything, but no big deal. You can transfer it from your old shocks. So I haven't got it pulled apart, but I will compare it to the V11 original shocks if I can find them. Just give me a sec. Okay, so these are the original shocks, but these are for the Inmotion V11. So they kind of feel the same weight. I don't know much about shocks to comment on how it's designed and whatnot. So just want to share so you get an idea, because there's currently not much information on this, except for one local rider who really recommended, and he said it's a game changer. How much of a game changer, I'll have to see. Yeah, so we'll see how good it is. And there's also other people that are ordering these locally. It's kind of cool. So yeah, I'll get this fitted on the V13. This is the final part that I was waiting for, so I could actually finally swap over to the new motor. So it's a good chance, good opportunity now. Alright guys, just a short one today, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and say hi to Prince over here. Prince?